Oscar, hustle! Go, 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 go! Come on. What do we need? What do we need? We need the downpipe, bud. Yeah, the downpipe. If you did not see the last video, all the way from South Africa, from Rogue Performance, we have the downpipe for the Ford Focus RS. But, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. And welcome back to another perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah. Okay, it's actually very, very, very windy. Winter is starting to brew here in northern Utah, which means Aventador snow videos are coming to the vlog near you. Mark 5 2020 Toyota Supra, the Pandem Rocket Bunny wide body kit, guys, is being installed on Monday with 100% absolute certainty. There is no snakery. The new exhaust for the Supra has been ordered. Air ride, air management on order. My new downpipe is at the airport right now. That's where we're headed. And the new bronze skull wheels coming to the vlog soon, very soon. We're back here at Salt Lake City International Airport. Unfortunately, we're not going to Hawaii, Fiji, or the Bahamas. We're headed to customs. Here's the deal. We don't necessarily have to rev the Supra, but I feel as if it's more of a moral obligation to rev the Supra. You know what that's the sound of? That's the sound of not one single car alarm going off in this parking garage. This Bentley Bentayga, the car alarm should be going off. Once again, we got all this rhetorical nonsense. All I need to do is get a stamp. Like, that's it, just one stamp. That's it, boys. Yes, I do apologize. The Supra is an absolute disaster. We're not gonna wash it in today's video. Wait, what? I'm excited to announce today's video has been sponsored by Raycon. The Raycon E50 earbuds. There's a couple things there's a lot of things that I love about these. First off, these are about half the price of the other premium wireless earbuds on the market. And most of those wireless earbuds have that weird like curly Q thing that like wraps around your earlobe. It looks really tacky. It's really uncomfortable. Whereas these just seamlessly fit in your eardrums. The sound quality is amazing. I have a big set of those headphones that have all like the dangling wires that take up a bunch of space. The sound quality of the Raycons is better and it fits in this. It fits in this! We're talking 6 hours of playtime, seamless Bluetooth pairing, more bass, and a more compact design that gives you a nice noise isolating fit. It comes in all sorts of cool colors. I really dig these black ones out. They're just ultra stealthy. If you want to pick up your own set of Raycons, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Using my special discount code, you can get 15% off. That is buyraycon.com/Stradman. Yep, this is happening again. We need a hammer and we need this. There seemed to be a certain percentage of the audience in the last video that didn't realize when I threw the crate off the roof, downpipes. That was a joke. The crate was empty. I blame the burlacker. It was his idea, 100%. It was the burlacker's idea. I'm sure of it. Pretty sure. Yeah, it was. Dun dun dun, from Rogue Performance in Johannesburg, South Africa. We've got the new downpipe here for the 2020 Toyota Supra. Dude, this is sick. Somehow I have to figure out how to install the downpipe on the Supra. If you've been... Stragger, where are you at? Where are you at? Anyway, sorry, lost my train of thought right there as I'm modeling a downpipe. Anyways, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you'll know I'm an idiot on many different levels, and not just working on my own car, but especially on working on my own car. But the goal is to install this Rogue Performance downpipe myself. So, full send, boys. Oscar, show the viewers your face. What happened, dude? What happened? Today's video is not, I repeat, it is not an instructional video. It is not a how-to video. If you own a Toyota Supra and you're looking to install a downpipe, do not follow what I do, okay? I hold no legal liability if your car blows up, okay? This is also like one of my favorite shirts, so. Slight change of plans. I didn't realize how big of an idiot I really am. Also, I don't have a lift. I tried jacking up the Supra. it didn't go well. So this is a startup with stock exhaust. We're gonna rev it in comfort mode, and then we're gonna rev it in sport mode. Yes. Honestly, like, the Supra sounds amazing in sport mode, so we're gonna go install the downpipe at a friend's place because he knows what he's doing, and yeah. I know I'm gonna get blasted for this, but I weakly attempted to try to jack up my Supra, and I quickly realized that I needed to go buy 2 more jack stands, and that also there was a high likelihood that the car would fall on me and that I would die because the Burlacker's not in town today. So we're here at 8080, they're gonna help with the install. There's a lot of confidential information and trade secrets in this building, so we're only gonna film this way because, right, oh, whoa. Like I said earlier, on Monday, 8080 is gonna be installing my Pandem Rocket Bunny wide body kit. They've actually already installed a Rocket Bunny kit on a Supra, and it's actually behind you guys, and you can't see it, but it's not that I don't want to. I'm just not allowed to show it to you guys, but it looks so good. When you guys see it, you are gonna freak out. Girth Nation, oh my goodness. Nick's video. Nick, I'm sorry. So step number 1 is to remove the factory exhaust. And yes, there's a little bit of dust. Don't worry about that. And then we have the factory downpipe right up in there. So yeah, step 1, remove the exhaust. We have the factory exhaust from the Supra. It took Casey like 10 minutes. It would have taken me probably like 400 hours. Also, if you look closely, when I spun the camera, you could have seen the other Supra, but I was quick, so you probably missed it. The downpipe is a little bit piping hot, if you will. Obviously, I revved it before. Anyways, so we got to disconnect the O2 sensor, so we're dropping the Supra. We'll pop the engine bay, disconnect those, and then, yeah. I messed up. Casey's like, he is so fast. Guys, go follow Casey on Instagram. What'd you do?
We'll recap.
Okay.
So you have your O2 wires. There's 2 of them right here. They clip right here. So you just unclip the female and male ends. Just pull them out, take them off that piece right there, drop them down, and then we're ready to go.
I'm effectively useless, but I can hold a phone with a flashlight, so. Oh, Levi, are you kidding me?
Sorry.
He's got a better flashlight than me.
Sorry.
Factory downpipe versus the downpipe from Rogue Performance. As you can see, we are moving on up in the world. The flow is gonna be, well, much better. And probably the fastest install ever, the new downpipe is on. So this is the first, well, it's not really a cold startup, but it's a lukewarm startup. The hardest thing to capture is audio, boys. That is definitely loud. Are you kidding me? There's somewhat of a moral obligation to do it again, so here we go. Headphone users, seize the moment. Massive shout out to all the guys here at 8080. Be sure to check out their dream car giveaway. They're giving away that Nissan GTR right there. We're gonna get a couple more revs though. Jeez, dude, Casey, thank you so much.
Yeah, dude, that sounds so good.
That is amazing. What? Oh my gosh! What? We just made power. We made power gains as well. Rear tires are spinning pretty good. This is definitely not a take 2. Ignore those tire marks.
That's nuts.
That sounds so sick.
Making popcorn. Pop, 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 pop.
The downshift crackles are insane. I'm gonna get in a lot of trouble with this thing. Wow. Oh my gosh. What have we created? Wait for it, wait for it. Hit it. I cannot express to you guys how much this has transformed the Supra. It just sounds so, so good. I always say exhaust is the single most important mod, and in this case, like, dude, it's so good. Hit it. Oh my gosh. A little rev for the neighbors. This car no longer sounds like a vacuum cleaner. Wow. I still cannot get over the sound of this car. It's just, the hardest thing to capture is audio. I've already reviewed some of the footage. It is not doing it justice. I wish you guys could be here in person to hear this car. The crazy thing, we still have an exhaust. So the car's only gonna get louder. Anyways, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.